My name is Holly Sams. I'm with Walker Woodworking in Shelby, North Carolina. We do high-end custom residential. The early years of the business was very small. Everybody was on top of each other. We had no organization. We didn't know what to do. We didn't know how to grow. So that's how Energy helped. Energy's transformed our business in our inventory. We know what we have now, so we've really got a hold of our inventory counts, knowing what we need, what we don't need. Job costing has been huge because we know what our target margin is. Clocking in and out, we can tell how long it's going to take to do a project. We can prepare better for it. We were bottom feeders forever. We would say yes to everything, and we learned that what you thought was your A client, you're spending 3 times as long. Well, that's missed opportunities. Through Energy, with the data that we're pulling out from the work order audits, we're able to look at those numbers each week and see our target margin. So you just got to really pinpoint what's really taking you the most time. You got to find out the sweet spot, so you have to kind of adjust your flow. Okay, I'm going to focus on these custom pieces, but I'm going to push the production over here. And Energy was perfect. It pulls everything you need, so it's been a game changer. We're able to grade our customers now because we know what kind of customers we want to target because we're able to see that data. We have 50 employees now. When we started, there was around 10. We know where we need to shift our labor because we can read that from Energy, so we can estimate our labor hours, so we know exactly how long it's going to take, how far out we're going to be, so it's been a huge help.